Alright, so if you guys are watching the channel for the first time, please make sure you hit that subscribe button right now. And if you're a long time subscriber, share up the video them all over the place. Big up on yourself. Fire not there now in the on the road, but you don't know most persons from the team there. So, I'm gonna go and watch.
Morning, big sis.
Morning. So, how you got to school so early? Are you going to school get this morning?
No, sir. Actually, I go wait for Tugga, you know. Wait till he's ready. So that's why I go so early.
You know, see a long time and Tugga apart from basic school. I hope you keep up your friendship, because nowadays friendship don't last. So, you know, I'm sitting so, you know, keep it up. And let me tell you this, just when you go to school, take in your book and get a proper education. When me I go to school, different things, me take and see how it come. Me know say I turn big man now, but nobody breed, nobody girl pitney.
A real talk, sis. But you know, no lunch money can give me, please, because mommy never give me none.
You know, say you come in wrong time, though. But big when I teach them if you give lunch, man, you can ask them, Jolly, my side and ask them. But me go set up something for you. So tomorrow, you call link me and you get here.
Alright, sis, later here.
Alright, and be safe on the road now.
Alright.
Tugga. Wake up, man, wake up. Wake up, wake up. How come you're still asleep? You not go to school? Get up out of bed, get up out of bed. You're too lazy, man. Get up out of the bed and go sweep up the yard and go bathe and get ready to go to school. I don't understand you. What kind of style is? Get up off of bed. You're too lazy. Get up. Go on outside, go sweep up the yard. You're not being there to no per se uniform, yet nothing at all. Go and go sweep up the yard and go bathe and look out some feet and get ready to go to school. You know what time now? Go and lie down in a bed, like relax, like I said, you don't want to learn nothing. I want you.
You think you did ready?
Brother, I wake up late, dog. So you have to wait for me?
Yeah, man, me a wait, man. So,
Sit down on the ground.
just hurry up.
I done me done you now still. So far,
Yeah. Ready? Yeah, man.
Tugga.
Yeah, man.
Hold on it. Morning.
Morning.
Turn on there. How you not press your clothes? How happened?
I'm too late.
So you're late. You go to your bed late and you wake up late. You look like you don't want to learn nothing at school. Don't ramp with me now, turn around. You're home, alright. Little boy, where your socks there?
No, have any.
You don't have no socks? So you teach them alone at school without socks? That's a part of your uniform too. Hold on there, Tugga.
No, me have socks, sir.
Why you hide for your foot? Hold on. I want to know what make you hide for your foot. Where for your socks there? All your socks them dirty and the week not done. How much socks you have? How much day you go to school? Eh? And the week just start. Look here. You see, anyhow you make the principal send you out of school because you never have no socks. You will see for me when you come back. You turn idiot. You know to say I left all the lunch money. How you going to reach at school? Hold this here. Go on to school and make sure so you go learn and nobody want no bench there. And nobody with the plane and the idling thing. One. Alright.
Yes, sir.
Alright. Take care. Make sure so nobody going to have bad company. Okay. I learned Senegal.
Yo. You know, so I don't have lunch money though.
The government, mommy just give me lunch money, I can buy her food.
Ah, respect. Sorry.
Tugga!
Yeah, mom, may I come?
Come here, let me talk to you a little bit there. Not answer me so. Yes, mommy.
Yes, mom.
Listen me now. You know you get older, right?
Yes, mom.
You graduate from high school.
Yeah.
Now you're on your way to college. So guess what? I have one little piece of money not for a long time put on for you. Because I know that you was going to become a big independent person. Very, very successful. I see it in a long time. So you are somebody who will achieve whatever you need for the future. So when they plot, you know, plot and knot,
yes,
as your grandmother would have said that is my mother, she knot something put on for a little more. Yes. That's why I try to conserve with everything when we do with you. You understand?
Yes, mom.
So the little money when we have, that can't send you to college. And the boy send people to college, you know.
No, mom, yeah.
He's big man, big man. With money plus tax money. So guess what? Me I go ask some of my family them and my friend them overseas to help me. So me can put little more money on when me have to send you to college. Because me say good in you know.
Yes, mom.
Me say good in you. And me now go hold back to help you. Me have to help you. Because it's some of we parents when they try to help the picnic them. When they say good enough, Jamaica would be a better country. You understand?
Yes,
so me I go help you to reach where you want to reach. And so when you get big and can help somebody, even if your family can help them.
Yes, ma'am.
So each one help one. You understand? So here I know. Me have it hard and you know, even though I'm still trying.
Yes, ma'am.
You have to go look at work. If I even if you work at one call center, you have to look at job.
And that made me think about no, mom.
Alright, see there, you they think. The same thing when I think because you see with the little bit when me not,
yes.
Plus me I go ask you some help. Somebody who can support and sponsor the thing so you can reach whatever you want to reach in life.
Yes,
to achieve your goal. Yes. Me I go ask. People will give me, you know. They will give me for help because people love help kids who are bright, you know.
Yes,
yes, because we want whole heap more police and doctor and lawyer out there. And you look like you could have been one of them. So I'm going to try my very best. Me I go work up to my best ability. Standard procedure. If I have to wash people dirty clothes and sweep up people's yard, me they do it just to make you get what you want in a life. So, hear me now. Just try and walk around and see if you get no work. But you know some things that the call center work would do well with you. Because them pay good enough.
Yes, yeah, I hear no for
and remember say if they ask if you know resume, you know you're good for that. Just
yes.
Do your thing. Yes, and care go give them because you need to get the job right now.
Yes,
because me need you to go college. Me no want you to sit down and idle and walk and take things when I give to you. You understand?
Yes,
because you see them 10 fingers you God give you. If you not control them, then we control you. No, me no want you to be no fingersmith.
Yes,
you know what fingersmith mean? Yes. Taking people things that is not yours, it belongs to you. Once somebody do not give you the thing, and you go take care of your own and keep your thing. I mean, I want no thief in my life.
Yeah.
You see how you grew up as a nice little boy? No. You let one big man call me. See if I can get a job. If you help me make up what I have, and we put it together, and make you go to college.
Yo, Toga.
You. I'm going.
Yeah, man.
See the panel now, it just pop up, so.
Boy, you know, some of them here I'm boring though. But even ready for left school, eh? Gotcha.
What do you mean you're ready for left school yet?
Yo, you're boring, yo.
Then I work right now. My idea, my thing that I look for now. My NIS. So what you do?
Right now, I just wait for the CFC result them to come out. Now look now. One thing me have in mind.
But what?
Whether I want to chopper. Yo, right now me have one cousin. Whether a man have big niche. Man have crown, the man have him big old house. I want to be like him. Right now I tell me say, he have one banger phone and a couple of paper me to come for them. But that more start doing, no I don't work right now.
Brother, low chopping thing. Better you come with me a call center. Because right now call center them want to work right now. Just forward me a call center. Go look at work.
You feel like the call center make more money than a chopper?
But you can't go until you get something better.
Brother, right now I'm tired to beg my mother and father for money, brother.
That's why you gotta work meanwhile you get a call center work. Call center work, how much it have? How much you think it have?
I don't know.
You
Right
get
now.
one 28,000 apartment.
But if I want a client, I can go a party, I can do anything, buy a
Yeah,
car,
go party.
build a house. Then me I talk about.
Brother, low off fight chopping. I mean, I like that style. Chopping lead to you got prison. You so much man I did off on this.
But that doesn't mean you want to do it.
I don't want to do that. I don't do that.
That me I go do
I don't want good road for you good again.
You do your call center work, and me do mine.
Just listen what me say, no chopping. Who is he around here do chopping?
Yeah, me not tell you my cousin a big chopper.
And everybody have the same look. Pussy and dog now have the same look. You never hear?
Well, me sure me have a look there.
You know what? Me not force you. Do what you want. Do what you want.
Yo, right now me I go link my cousin and see if me can get two of them paper there. Cause right now I want to start ring two number. You know? Now waste no time. So we link.
Alright, let's do what you do.
No worry your head, Mom. The money's on the way. The delivery truck is... Calm down. I know it's a long time. Remember the neighbor you have there with the dog sitting on the lawn? You can box her now, because the money's on the way. Just box her. When they come there, you pay. You're a rich woman now. Yes, Mom. Hold on, Mom. My boss is here. I'm going to finalize the payment and have the delivery truck reach you. Telephone.
That's something I can link you about.
Boy.
You know what's right now, I want to start the chopping thing to you.
What you say?
I want to turn big chopper like you.
Shh. You don't tell nobody about me.
What you mean? Me just tell my friend down your road say a big chopper, big house and
No,
Benz
you don't do
and
that thing there. Look how me dress cause. Me not show richness. You can't do that. When you are chop, the first thing you have to buy is a gun. Because them are going to come at you. Don't do that, man. So, you want me a chopper?
Yeah, man. You know paper can't give me no sheets.
Me not no sheets, but hear the thing what me will give you. I'm give you a phone. You see text now, just random there to you. Half your bingo. And remember what me saying, cause the first thing you have to buy is a gun.
Yeah, man. Respect.
Don't buy no clothes. No bed. No business but bed.
Buy a shop first.
Protect yourself.
True, man.
Me I'll have your man pound one right now. She wait for the delivery. But no delivery now reach her. So you see what me I gonna do? I'm gonna tell her to send back another money because the delivery truck turn on because the tax won't pay. So you have to do it. Yeah, you can scam them 20 times.
Because you have to teach me, because I not to know how to start, you know.
Alright, you say, hello, good afternoon. And you tell them what your name. If they don't understand the name, you spell it, you tell them say J for Jack, and I say you deal with it. And so we do it. So you know the real choppings have to make, man. Money have to make.
Alright, so you link then here.
Alright, coach.
Alright, look him up.
Yeah. Sorry about that, ma'am. Yeah, my manager just have the delivery truck turn back because you have to finish the next tax payment.
Evening,
Evening.
Mom. Say me get to work though, Mom.
You get the work?
Mm.
Thank you, Jesus. Thank you. Now you can go work
Me say
and
to start
save your money towards your college. You understand? And make sure so when you go to work, you know bother follow nobody and give out nobody number. You understand?
Yes,
and go put
ma'am.
yourself in a no problem. Just do your work the right way. You understand?
Yeah.
Follow the procedure so you can hold your job. Okay. So just iron up your clothes and sort out everything.
Me always here.
Alright.
Yes. Are you hearing me? Okay, what I want you to do for me right now, I want you to send that money, you're going to put it in a Bible and send it to that address, right? Yes. So I will definitely call you tomorrow morning, bright and early, okay? Okay, have a wonderful evening now.
Oh, go on, bro.
Where you go?
Depend.
They are normal. But watch you know, where you come from, Jessup, sir?
You know, say interview me go and do and me get to work. You say me for forward in Monday.
Eh,
So things that take time to lift up. You see me? So we say still not forward.
brother, you know so me I do? I sit down, you start choppy line, you know. Right now, me have a client pinned down. I just seen send the money right now. Yo, believe in me, man. Me I reach out like my cousin, you know, and drive one range jet. Just watch it, man.
Anyways, me do over me at so you can check.
Ah, do you right?
Whoa! It's a get in ya, hey! 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 Holy, I can feel it! I can feel it! Hey! 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 That right, so. You don't know it's enough to come here until me enter you in. Take off your shoes.
Take off my shoes.
Take off your shoes. Me know I make you there. Put on your money. Put on your money. Put on your money. Don't wait too long with your money, man. Hey! 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 Ha, 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 ha. Hey!
Receive it. Yes. Receive it. Woo.
Glory! Glory! Guess what? Now your last be a dot. What me say?
Me last.
Your last be a dot. Hey!
So, Mother Guinea. So, all people are going to smell me on the road.
Don't worry about that. Mama give you have everything in control. Just make sure say you no beard again. Cause if your beard you go broke.
No, me no want broke. Me no want broke.
Say if you don't want broke, you will make curse you.
Me not want beard. Not to.
No move yet. Drink this. Drink it! Glory. Glory. No worry about it. No worry. spin around, spin around.
Yes, mother. Archie. Mother, yeah. Me need the idea of see the money I come.
One, and make sure me get me balance.
Yes, mother.
Oh!
Yo, cuz boy,
What?
check in now, man.
What go on, cuz?
There, man.
You know, stop on the road, me I go. Where's that go on?
Right now, we have a one match say deal with it.
What go on now?
Yo, we have a client on the line right now. But the woman now move stubborn.
Listen to me. No need to worry. What problem? How much you charge her?
Boy, me I tell her I want a little fee, me charge him, me just charge him on 7 US.
7 US?
Yeah, man.
But, yeah, nah, man. You can't call 1,800 off of that. Yo, me and me can't go them up there. Right now, I just me dress up. Me not be it for a month now.
So yeah, go on.
What you mean? Because me will be a man say, yo, if you clap your client them and tie them down, no be it. I know risk, no more we have to do, you know. So you soon get used to it.
At that time, I can link in the case, so I know in a game long time, so I know you have better understanding more than me and you. You can do a crime, you see me?
Of course, my up your man now feel me, man. I mean,
So
I'm
what you
beard.
I have to go get my phone because I don't have it for me, so I send it for up, you see me?
Right
I can
away.
be right, you see me?
What you mean? I'm sure one boy slap him. What you mean, man? Just remember before. Listen to me. It's when you want the client, no beard. No beard, my cousin.
Serious?
You know me say no beard.
I mean, I do it right, because I know to get the money that we are brass, you know.
What? I remember, buy a gun and say win.
Browning,
Hi, hello.
good evening. You beg a minute now?
Good evening.
You must from your walk come here look for your door. Like, you know, what's your name?
I am Janelle. You like me? You can take care of woman?
What you mean? Me a chopper in the mama. Ask anybody about me on the lane here.
What you mean by chopper? Where you chop?
You know understand what I mean by chopper? Me bang your line, me a scammer. You see me? Anything you want, you can get it, mama. You see a little black suit and I can buy enough of them because you look good in a black.
Really?
What you mean? Just give me a number. So we
Alright.
can continue the conversation. Alright.
Alright.
Me call you here.
Alright.
Have you ate breakfast this morning, mom? Oh, okay. Good. Right. Don't worry, I have the delivery truck coming to you right now. You're gonna be a good winner, a blessed winner. Well, hold on, mom. My manager is here. So, as I said, the delivery truck is on its way. Be patient with me, mom. I'll call you back as soon as possible. So, I'll go on, cuz.
Yo, right now I'm stressed out.
What are you?
Right now I don't make no money from our day. Every client I call, nothing now go through.
Remember what you tell me I said? Not be it if you want rich and you look at me and laugh and think a joke. I serious mess. You see, madam shaking. You see, she, right now, I'm telling you the truth. If you put this up, I'm going to do all kind of stuff to you and I'm going to say, go take your last shower in a bath. In the full of some bush.
So,
Cranny, but if you're in the beard, you know that and a beard, that's enough money. Wreck.
so which one I can find her?
Good picture. You remember one time we used to go around the car up in a bush there. It's when you go up there, there's a house. It might not look like a house level. When you go in there, different story.
I'll give her a check, man.
Do your thing, man. Do your thing.
But one question though. You remember a client they already give you don't send off the money?
Boy, because I tell you the truth, you see the one that me, I try even lick her at least $20 for her. She run. You mean, cause all of the try some more same way still. Let's try them come same way. Me try me look and see if we can find one for you know, They're just broke, but you can get some more still, you know. When you see Madam Giddy, check her. But you don't have to check her no still, you know. You can check her maybe in a 2 days time. I remember, you know, because this when you check her now, babe, I tell you money have to make.
Hello? What you say? The baby is sick. What do I? Alright, here we want you do. You see the bush down you have round her back? Mix up some egg with the baby. And give her it for 3 days. Mama listen to me. Nobody now work on your picnic. Just give her the bush them 3 mornings straight. And you will see if she's not alright. Topless up. Take off your shoes. Take off your shoes. You know me? You ever hear money?
Cause you tell me say I best.
Yeah, best. Yeah, money? Put it up. You want guard up?
Yeah, man.
You worry yourself. Everything there, but I give. Receive. Sparrow tree back. You see this? Every money where you want there in there. You see any day you take it off, you do. Guard up, you guard up, you guard up, guard up, you guard up, you guard up. Bring from your middle finger, you guard up. Go through the door.
Sweet.
Come now. Good evening, pretty girl.
Evening.
So you ask me also.
You know, say my girlfriend, my car come down for meet you. But you know, I can't car go meet mommy, I know mommy stay. So,
You're right.
Janelle, this is Amanda.
Hi.
And Amanda, this is Janelle.
Nice to meet you. You're very beautiful though.
Thank you.
Me likes you. Trust me enough to care me come meet her.
Yeah, man.
And make sure you take care of her. Because I'm a nice little girl. And you make sure you take care of my brother too.
Yeah, man.
Alright, sis, I'm not too thirsty there.
Oh, you did just show off your girlfriend?
Yeah.
Alright, nice to meet you, sweetheart. Alright, later, here.
Wonderful good afternoon. This is Peter Brown talking. You have the code? You have sent money? How much? 10,000 US. Okay. Give me half an hour and I'll call you back, okay? Alright.
Mr. Brown? Young Brown, how you doing, man?
One, Sir Williams.
Boy.
Long time I don't see you.
You know, I've been seeing you from school days, you know, and you know, by the look of things, you know, because my expectation for you is that you'd have been playing football, you know, on the national team and all these things. What happened?
My parents they never have the money.
Oh.
Push me football careers. Like how me did want to come, I want to play on them big league there. That is my dream. So never work out. So work me there come on for as a call center work me started last week.
Okay. Well, see the good thing about life is you have to put in and do your work. And, you know, from school days, you always put in work and, you know, we always see the results. You know what I mean?
Yes.
So at the end of the day, what happened to that other, you know, that chubby guy? You know, that chubby fat?
Oh well.
Howell, yeah. You know him name, man. So you am still linked?
Yeah man, but in kind of all are different mates.
Different mates, what do you mean by that?
Come here tell him if you come work at call center with me. Ma tell me say him want.
Remember, I love sleeping, so he might can't work at a call center, so they
Him
want
say him
different
want
things.
choppy line.
Chop
Like
which
when
line?
cousin a do.
What? I hope you're not thinking that part, you know.
No, me I say, me gonna see me I work at call center.
Well, that's true.
Me not depend them, mate.
Yeah, man. Just, well, my advice to you from school days up until now,
Yes.
put in the work on the positive side. You understand me? And what I'm seeing so far, like you plan to do that. Continue, don't stop it. Because them are guys that nowadays, you know, so nowadays putting them always put in and then stop and then feel like it's because them, you know what I mean? So no bother with that. Alright? So encourage your friend to how well. You know what I mean? And make him, you know, see the right path and, you know, come off of the wrong line.
Sir,
Alright?
me I try. But me I thought like it just go through 1 year and come back through another.
Just stay on the same part. Because you see back in my days at school, me used to have 34, you know, 34 and who don't want to sleep, who don't want to eat, who don't want to do, you know, but me still have to do my job. So life is like a job, you know. So do it. I have some family members down the road, I have to come check here.
All right.
Good to see you. Yes, sir, Mr. Brown. Keep your head up, all right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, my brother.
You don't know what say, my cousin carry a client come give me. And a $10,000 me lick off for the lady. Of course. We collect the money. But here now, baby. Get ready. Mark, you say you want the year. What color year you want again? The $50,000 a year. Yeah, man, because you say you got a coloring book. This month, baby, July. Let's go by here. Well, chopper from there. Wagwan. Chopper cousin. Oh,
What
yeah?
do you mean, chopper cousin? Brother, I have money I can collect out of where you collect out for my client.
Which money?
Brother, my client tell me say send you how much money.
Your client seen now, brother. Me not get no money. All the woman making coffee. What kind of idiot client that?
So a clown you take me for.
Me say, listen me, brother man, me say me not get no money from your client. Your client no have no brain. Me send the woman go MoneyGram and the woman go MoneyGram, the woman come back and say, oh, I totally forgot I'm broke. She not have no money, brother.
Brother, right now, pay fool in shit talk, you know. Like you take me for a big idiot, you know. You my top nice, man.
Okay, I'm a polo, you really lick off, but how you do? Listen me, man. I'm a polo, you mess with, you know how much money
Easy,
for this?
man.
Yo, man, me tell you something. Me know when you come play with me with the little senior client. Let go me on too. Listen, I told me your cousin, you know. Remember, say I'm a teacher for banging line. I'm a teacher until I say, when you scam the first money buy a gun, you kick you off over there, so me no ramp. Brother man, listen me.
Yo, easy, no, man.
No, but me talk to you because you come here with a little broke client where you give me, but me scam him. Me not scam him. Tell you one time you go wash his face and wake up. I don't scam her. So you relax yourself. And here when man I talk to you, man I go talk about you about take a client. You know, look at baby scammer.
Just know for your life in a danger.
I check my cause. How am I put it? How am I put it? Oh, you shouldn't run. You shouldn't run.
Dogger. Oh, go on.
Hyper.
There, man. Say, so look, sir.
You know, before you go in at that conversation there, me a 2 bills and buy a frost one.
A frost? Say I born with now?
Nah, man. You go on a bag of excitement, brother. Watch, I'm gonna show you a pre. You see, right now, me give my cousin a client, youth. A choppy client for me. A man, thiefy client. You see me? Thiefy client from me and chop a big money off it. Anyway, my worst thing, the man come tell me, say, client not pay no money. You see me? The man try to fool me. But watch, you know, you see, first money me make, I buy a gun before me even buy a mattress.
Buy a what?
Buy a gun, brother. And you see the same gun there, I go take in your life. Remember,
No, well, no, mate. Where you go buy a gun?
yo, me 2 bills, my brother, I'm stressed out right now, there. Buy a frost in a shop or so.
Well, mate. All 1,000.
Yeah, man, respect, man, you see me?
But brother, no bother with what you just say. Thief and thief, God laugh. You see me? So just take your losses and just say, I hate that. You see me?
Yo, not say 40 there, you see me? Alright, now me and your friend for a long time, you
See
know.
what me saying?
And me feel like you have time. I respect still, isn't me? That's a fault.
Amanda, good evening.
Good evening.
You know, say me have something to talk to you about, though.
I open about you and puppy than you know, because I'm stressed out. I tell you that, you know, if I know one thing is the next. What really are going on now?
I miss my period. I'm going to pharmacy to buy one pregnancy test. I'm pregnant and I don't know what to do right now. I'm confused. And I don't have nobody else to talk about it. And I can't even tell my mother they mess up me. Else she go get mad. So I want your opinion because I really can't keep this too young. I have one bright future ahead of me.
See, you know, say have a bright future before you lie down without condom. You talk to puppy than about this?
I use condom, a birth. And no, I not talk to him about it yet. That you are the first person I come to.
Yeah, what me have to tell you. To one who young and one who try with, you can't read, you can't write. And I see I'm very puppy than. So keep your pitney, cause I know flicker young people know what dash with them pitney and they in the hospital or they not gonna can't have no pitney for the rest of their life. Mommy have one house done they can't put on up. So no consider how no go do it if you go work, to want to work and try balance it up. Me have 2-3 in a yard with jelly and breadfruit when the baby get old and can come hit and enjoy yourself and me have yard space when you can come play.
Thanks for the words of encouragement. May I go link Puppy Dan now and tell him about it?
Yeah man, you know go reason about it as a young person.
Alright.
Later.
Yeah.
What me now? Hey, look, sir.
You know I'm pregnant?
God no.
Yes, sir. You look like the last time when you have sex, you can be birth or something. I don't know about me miss my period for this a month here, and me can't do this. Me can't carry no baby right now. So I don't know, you have to go find money or something for give me to do abortion because I can't keep this. I'm too young for this.
Jaja God. But right now, I'm flat out, you know. Because I must say last money I make what day, you know. I say I buy a shop and put down and I give some of it to you know.
So sell it gun.
Mama right now crap you talk, mama. Remember say that I protect my head back and protect you, you know. So right now I have to just make 2 calls and see if I can get the money and I can get it by in the evening. So no worry yourself. Just go on down your yard and go and breathe out. Sell it gun.
Go on.
I pray.
There, man.
You know something I have something for a reason with you, boy.
What up?
Boy, I don't even know what takes place right now.
Oh, go on.
You don't know if my girlfriend pregnant, brother. I get a girl pregnant. Would mind if you could have lent me a 10 pack still, you see me? They're really grateful because right now I'm in a sticky situation. You see me? God knows.
Boy, I tell him I can't help you down.
What do you mean you can't help me?
Can't help you down, boy.
Then brother, now you tell me say you save so much money and you can't lend me 10 grand?
That's for my girl's school.
So look how far me I come from.
I can't touch my school money.
10 grand me I go give you back, brother.
I'm an education that.
Brother, remember say me a chopper, you know, chop your line, you know.
No.
And when me hold a client, I can't give back your money, you know.
You're not sure of that. You're not
I can't give you 20 grand too.
You don't have to make a money.
Brother, right now I feel like you like this me too, you know, because me I come from far, you know.
This you?
For you get to work, you change.
Change where?
You better you go on and you go to
Me
brother.
don't
You
tell us
style me, brother.
after my go college, me not touch my
Me
money.
I go give you back your money. When me hold the client, I give you back your money.
You don't have to hold a client. A 50-50 chance if you go hold a client.
But you get back your money, that's what me I try to show you.
No.
How far me I come from. I'm in a sticky situation. You can't let me 10 bucks.
My money stay away.
Brother, I bet you go on where you go right now, you know. Avoid me, you know,
So
brother.
run here, run me
Me don't even want your money too. Go on
Run
here,
here, run me through now and give me money.
Avoid me, brother, when you see me in a deal with me.
No, I'll give
If you see me on the right,
That me go do.
take it left.
That me go do.
Do it right, man. Now go on here, go. Bad man, boy.
Young man, where do you, sir?
What you mean, me a there, sir?
Stand up. Get up, get up, get up.
Officer, yeah, most officer.
Get up, man, get up. Get up, man, get up. Give me your phone. I say, give me your phone.
Yeah, most officer.
Where you live?
Right, yes, sir.
Roadside I live.
On the road, me live.
Up in the phone. Put in the password.
And I have nothing in there, no.
Put in the password. Where the number you come from? I get so much foreign number.
Officer, my mother live a foreign, but me not save her number. Me and her talk every day.
Your mother have so much foreign number. You a scammer.
So yeah, mash up my shirt.
We know down at the station. Go so.
Oh, go on.
No, not at all.
Go on, I come here to thank you. The deal, my God, no.
You have a right to thank me. You never know say in fact when I'm sitting there and look how hard me I try. When you come and you ask me for a little money, me give you to if me have it. And you gonna them there something there. And my life same is me have to take out, you know. And come and pay up police them, you know. Cause straight prison they're going to they have the evidence, everything. So then they just fling your last in the system. So you need to break up your family ground. Right now, today as me I talk to you. You need to break up your family ground and start work to pay back my money little. Cause me have responsibility.
Why me just end up in a sticky situation, so I should me have my girlfriend to take care of.
Yeah, how much for you take care of girlfriend? When you face by your girlfriend for you take care of. Look here, not even upset me. Don't upset me, but as me say, I go work. Today everything stop, every scamming stop today. Cause people here water go to the fire already. And bad blessing, we take you. So you go look at work, or me help you as a sister. Go out there go look at work. And you go start work and you go pay me back little by little.
Yes, sis. Oh, look at you can't live to like food for no please. Alright, now I'm hungry now. I've been in jail, I starve.
You're not starved yet. You look, you're there foreign police won't clear you up. We will left some for you still.
Alright, let's go check you out.
Yeah man, you're going to ensure me live the company.
Hey, walk along, Candy.
You know me there? Me there, man. You good?
Yeah, man.
You alright?
Boy, me just there, take it easy. A long time I don't see your son, when they?
You know, so my son get one good work at the call center and everything I work out quite fine for him.
Boy, that's good.
Yeah, man.
It's nice when the young people and man can do something for themselves and hold up their head high. You know what I say?
That's why me encourage my son to finish school, find himself a job, to help him make up for send him to college, because I well want him go.
Yeah, man, it is very good when young people hold up their head, man. Because, boy, I tell them, youth nowadays, they don't want to do nothing good with their life. Something like that. Me like that, like your son hold up your head, man.
Yeah, man, I'm proud of me when I pick them, inshallah, the picking them come up and come out same way, you know?
But as we are talking about your son, in friend, you know, some years say he get locked up for scamming.
A friend when he get locked up?
Why, me not even know, to be honest, people me hear talk about it.
A little short fat one used to come down on my yard, come look
Yeah, man, yeah, man.
Me have to go tell him.
Yeah, man, but...
So he no get bail nor nothing, them still have him in a custody?
Honestly, me don't know, but apart from that, just tell your son, if he hold up in head, and nobody make that same little one that influence him to do the same thing.
Yeah, man.
All right.
You know my son.
All right, and take it easy. All right, Candy?
All right, take care. Okay. Evening, where are you? Something I think you're gonna work.
No, today I'm there.
Oh. Okay, why you never tell me say your friend get locked up for scamming? Police search his phone and find all the people name in it. Scamming paper, then take away everything.
Friend.
How much friend you have? You don't know Puppy Dan?
Oh, Puppy Dan. He get locked up Police lock you up.
So you never hear me just say, me think you did hear.
Me never hear.
So, like how you and my friend, you ain't a scamming thing too?
No, I mean, this is a work, me and work, but me they try influence him to come and work with me. But you know, listen, that you can't ever tell a man not to do this thing, because every man has their own, man.
That's true still. But me can't believe that the youth there turn out in a them a kind of Jesus, me can't understand what going on with them a young youth. That the youth they really grow up and come to scammer. Make sure say you're not involved in them something there,
No,
you know?
mommy, I know for me think I work and school, come on further medicate, man. I know already.
Okay.
Some soon come.
What's it? Careful.
Oh, go on. No, say tell me if you avoid the still, but I hear me here say they get locked up in.
Boy, you know, so I'm sorry for me behavior there though and this and run your door. Because your money still in it, see me, and far where you come from. But hear me I say, you know, say how day me up on the ends of below out on the roadside there, see me. And I tell you say, one police boy pull up on me. You see me, search my phone and find some foreign number night dog. And carry me down a station. And my sister have to spend out the whole of money and come bail my dog, take money out of my account. You see me? I know say boy papa, you know say me taking life though youth, because I feel like I'm set police for me though youth.
So,
You remember I see him premier show you about the client brother me give man and the man take your money though.
bother with that.
No brother, me take your man life brother.
No, brother, no bother with that. You remember the time when the nigga they take a textbook?
Yeah.
You remember what happened to him textbook them? And take out everything out of him bag. That fish way say I have left people to time. You see me?
Sure.
So no bother with that. But anyways, this a sign to you come in a call center work with me.
Yo. Respect for your encouragement. Me forward man, you see me? Me don't forget to forget and sort out, you see me? Remember they tell me about the idea and stuff?
Yeah man.
Me will deal with that and get back to you.
Just straighten up and short me back.
Respect.
Alright.
I can hear the footsteps. Hurry up, man. Hurry up. Stop right there, sir. You want to look serious? Take off your shoes and come inside.
Mama, you are going now. I can't take off my shoes. I'm going to go.
No, I see where you're in and where you're in. So you don't follow instructions.
Mama, hear me say nobody with the bag. I go back, nobody with
Put up your money. Put up your money.
Mama, nobody with the bag of excitement. You know. You see what I want, just get up the garden for me and I'm going to go miss it.
Take off your ring.
Tell me what I want in my life. You know what I go.
You see the friend where you have?
Which one?
The one, the fish face one man with the 4 ears.
4 years.
Pick up! Pick up!
Now try to pick up.
Every client we are having, take them. That's so you can't make no money. Because I take a client them. So what me I go do now? You see the ring here? You'll get millions of clients. But you have to do what me say if you do. Follow instruction. You see, any day you take off the ring here, any day you take it off, you do. Come up to me, please. And make sure you bring me balance in 3 days.
Some more, you might tell us no bother with that. Remember, me tell us some more, you tell me what I want in my life, you know. You get up ring already and I feel gathered up, I feel good around. Tell me what I want in my life. The part is serious. You see me?
Me say your friend where you have every client you have, take them. So me put them in your ring. So you can't take them again.
So my client ain't on my ring.
Everything in your ring.
Everything, my client them, it number everything.
Just don't take it off.
Just not take off it.
Right. Go!
So you can't give me something for your headache. I have headache on this. And I don't know for your headache. No man, no matter that. Give me some of my room now. And I'm a chaser.
Think I shop you there?
So when I drink this, what I do?
Every sickness where you have, you could be clean.
Every sickness.
There's a free man for your sale like once to drink that.
So, I want one in there.
No worry. God! Receive!
Look at my hair, mama.
Oh, sorry about that, Mr. We got disconnect. Yes, ma'am. I told you, ma'am, the delivery is on its way. Yes, ma'am. Yeah, Mr. J. Jackson. Yeah. Yeah. Let me call it. Yo, Virgin, I'm a client that they on the phone, you know.
Your client or my client? Eh? Boy, you fool to take me up.
You give me the client because you can't be the client. I'm my client now. So what you do? I saw come down. I saw we are rolling.
Hear me, I said. Yes, when it comes to my client and my money, me no ram. You hear me, I tell you? Hey boy, you say a thief, my client is like a thief and I'm a cow them.
But Bridget, me not kill a cow.
Yo, just make sure so me get every money what you have for me, you see? Every money what she send, you make sure so me get back everything with extra on it. And that me I tell you. There's nobody feel like you're safe run your yard now.
Alright, let me just take out the money. Just give me a little breeze.
What mean give you a little breeze?
Glad for the opportunity the way you give me. You see me? Really appreciate it. I'm sorry I never listen to you. Right
Lucky
now.
thing me never give up on you. Lucky thing me never give up on you. Cause as me always say, family, I give up on one another. And me look for you as my brother. You see me? Not even friend, you're my brother. Cause we there from basic school I come up. And you never left me side, so that's why I stick by your side. Although you never there hear what me I say, I still be there force you. I make you listen and say, come for the job. And you see everything work out good. You're going and scamming. God take you out of that thing.
Real talk, man.
Oh, come to your B where they say pregnancy.
Boy, you know, so she's still pregnant though.
Eh?
But you say like how I get the work now, I can go and go talk to her and tell her say, you just keep it, you see me? So this a little work now, I can help it and take care of her baby.
True.
Yo, I just jump up before night come down, you see me so?
Alright, we link on the work tomorrow, yeah?
I'm link up on the WhatsApp.
Alright, that's alright.
Daniel.
Yeah, sir.
Oh, God.
You have the money?
Why you be say you move like we left? You come and ask the money, do you want a little hug up?
Why you dress up so by the way? Where you go?
I come to talk to you about. I get a little work at a call center. I'm done with scamming. I leave when y'all tell us say I get locked up and my sister fear bail me.
Then why you getting a work at call center have to do with me? I tell us I want to do abortion and that I want to hear about. I don't want to hear about that.
Babes, just give me 1 minute and listen to me have to say. You see me? This is the reason why I stop the scamming. You see me? Because I want to stand up for my responsibility to take care of our youth. Because our first youth, you know, just go in and go talk to your mother and make sure you know say I will stand up for my responsibility. I'm willing to take care of our baby. I'm willing to help you out. So just go in and do that. Alright, later.
Alright, so if you guys notice, you're at the end of the movie. And if you notice, we have on some shirts. These are some merch. Yeah, man, these are some merch that I want you, the persons who are watching the video, to show some support. You not only can show support in watching the movie and subscribing and all the other good things, but you can support us by purchasing the merch. The link for the store where this is going to be available online will be in the description, and we're also going to put it at the bottom of the video.
And
so
please, when you go in to the market on a Saturday, please to grab a Richard Brown market bag.
Yeah, man, we have Jammy Wood. We have Jammy Wood market bag. We have Jammy Wood too.
And a
yeah,
Jammy Wood bag.
and officially, look on Popeye. Popeye.
For the
Popeye is a baker, yeah.
The cooks, the chefs.
Yeah, man. So Candy, don't step in front of the camera. Please, guys, make sure you on the show. Hey, see Candy with the Jammy Wood bag there.
Yeah, the Richard Brown bag.
Yes, I want Jammy Wood and Richard Brown bag.
It doesn't matter, there's a bag for everybody.
Alright. So please, guys, I beg you, show some support, man. See Candy shirt there. If you love your specific actor, you can link up, man, and we get you a specific shirt.
Or if you want to go on normal, you know where you go.
Alright, and remember, anywhere you're there in the world, we can ship it to you. So please, make sure you show some support by grabbing one of the shirt. Where Fire Rush shirt there? Yeah, man, sit there. Fire Rush upon the shirt.
Down to the ground.
Richard Brown Films.
Papa, you need to show your apron now.
And Jammy Wood. Yeah, man, see Papa have on the apron. So please, make sure you show with some love. And thank you to everybody that has been supporting the channel, whether through cash or through kind, or just to sharing up the video. Thank you very much. And if you guys want to support the movement, you can link us up on Instagram and we'll know, say, yo, want to a little thing on going. Oh, and before me left, Instagram is officially start paying out to creators. So please head over to Richard Brown Films on Instagram and make sure so you follow me, because we're at 6,000 followers on Instagram, and in order to be monetized, we have to reach 10,000. So we need 4,000 more followers for eligible for monetize. So big up on yourself, continue to support me. Yeah, man.